Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Mrs. Force and I'm going to go ahead and read over the week 6 quiz for you. Remember, as you're going through, you can pause the video at any time to be able to answer the questions or rewind if you need to. If you do have any questions, make sure that you're reaching out to your U.S. history teacher. Question 1. What does supreme law of the land mean when describing the Constitution? The Constitution can never be changed. The federal and state laws are equal in power. Both states and the federal governments can make laws, but the states must abide by the federal laws. Or the Constitution is followed by all countries in the world. Question 2. Which group states the goals of the U.S. Constitution as found in the preamble? Group A, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare. Or Group B, secure freedom from Britain, establish 3 branches of government, set up a cabinet, legalize collection of taxes. You are choosing either Group A or Group B. Question number 3. Our government is divided into 3 branches. What was the purpose of creating these branches? To prevent war between the states? To create a separation of powers and prevent one branch from having too much power? To create an organized system for trade and tariffs? To provide economic security for the upper class? Question 4. Please match the branch of government with its correct description. Your choices are legislative branch, executive, or judicial. And the descriptions are: the president is head of this branch. It is also made up of independent government agencies. Their main responsibility is to enforce the laws. This branch is formed by the courts. It is made up of the Supreme Court, the Courts of Appeals, and district courts. Again, you're choosing either legislative, executive, or judicial. And lastly, this branch is formed by the Congress, which is made up of the House of Representatives and Senate. Their main responsibility is to create laws. Just a note, on your quiz, these items might be in slightly different order, but all of the information is the same. All right. Question number 5. What is the definition of the phrase checks and balances? A system that gives more power to the executive branch? A system that gives the states more power than the federal government? A system that allows states to check the laws passed by the federal government? A system under which each of the 3 branches of government oversees the powers of the other 2 branches, and they limit each other. Question 6. Why is the Constitution considered a living document? It allows for checks and balances. The president has the ability to veto changes. It continues to change whenever amendments are added to it. Courts can provide judicial review. Question number 7. Why were the Bill of Rights added to the Constitution? To strengthen the central government, to prevent the government from taking away personal rights, to remedy the weaknesses of the Articles of Confederation, to give more power to the states. Question 8. Which of the following is not protected by the First Amendment? The right to remain silent, freedom of speech, freedom of the press, the right to peacefully assemble. Question number 9. Which amendment gives the right to bear arms? 10th Amendment, 2nd Amendment, 1st Amendment, 11th Amendment. Question 10. According to the 10th Amendment, what rights do the states have? States have the same rights as the federal government. States have no rights. States have any rights not specifically given to the federal government in the Constitution. States only have the rights that are listed and given to them by the constitutional amendments. Once you're finished with the quiz, make sure that you click Submit Quiz. Double check in your gradebook that a grade has recorded. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure that you are reaching out to your U.S. history teacher. Thanks so much and good luck.